Hi everyone, next video is about pharyngeal arches. So as we all know, there are 5 pharyngeal arches starting from first pharyngeal arch to 6th pharyngeal arch. Now if starting from first pharyngeal arch to 6th pharyngeal arch, why we are saying that there are only 5 pharyngeal arches? Because 5th pharyngeal arch is rudimentary, it is not there. 5th pharyngeal arch is absent. So first pharyngeal arch is there, second pharyngeal arch is there, third pharyngeal arch is there, fourth pharyngeal arch is there, and then sixth pharyngeal arch. First of all, first is mandibular arch. First pharyngeal arch is mandibular arch, and second is hyoid. First pharyngeal arch is which arch? Mandibular arch. So let's see which nerve is supplying to first arch. First is mandibular arch. So obviously, which nerve is supplying? Mandibular division of trigeminal nerve. Which nerve is supplying? Mandibular division of trigeminal nerve. As we all know, trigeminal nerve has 3 divisions. So mandibular division of trigeminal nerve is supplying first mandibular arch. So which all muscles to which it is supplying? Muscles of mastication, mylohyoid, anterior belly of digastric, tensor tympani and tensor veli palatini. So if you are asked a question that which all muscles arise from first arch, which is the first arch? First arch is mandibular arch. Then next question is what all muscles are arising from first arch? From which all muscles are arising from first mandibular arch? Then answer is all the muscles of mastication first of all. सेकेंड फ्रेंजियल आर्च जो होती है, सेकेंड फ्रेंजियल आर्च को फेशियल नर्व सप्लाई करती है. सो सेकेंड फ्रेंजियल आर्च के लिए इजी आंसर है मसल्स ऑफ फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस को वो सप्लाई करती है. सो जो फर्स्ट फ्रेंजियल आर्च से जो मसल्स राइज होते हैं दे आर मसल्स ऑफ मैस्टिकेशन एंड माइलोहाइड. विच ऑल मसल्स ऑफ मैस्टिकेशन? माइलोहाइड, इंटीरियर बेली ऑफ डाइगैस्ट्रिक एंड ऑल्सो टेंसर टेम्पेनाई एंड टेंसर वेलाई पैलेटिनी. Now, question can also be asked this way that mandibular division of trigeminal nerve is supplying to which muscles? Or muscles of mastication are supplied by which nerve? Mylohyoid is supplied by which nerve? Anterior belly of digastric is supplied by which nerve? Tensor tympani is supplied by which nerve? And tensor veli palatini is supplied by which nerve? So answer to all this is mandibular division of trigeminal nerve. Other nerves may also be supplying, but the main answer is mandibular division of trigeminal nerve. Sometimes when we are solving an MCQ, the answer is just in front of us. We remember all the pharyngeal arches, but we can't answer which nerve is supplying tensor veli palatini, which nerve is supplying tensor tympani. We are remembering all the pharyngeal arches, all the muscles originating from pharyngeal arches, and nerves supplying to those pharyngeal arches. But when we are asked an indirect question like which nerve is supplying tensor veli palatini or which nerve is supplying tensor tympani, then sometimes answer is just in front of us, that mandibular division of trigeminal nerve, and it is not clicking in our mind sometimes. Other nerves are also supplying. I am not saying only mandibular division of trigeminal nerve is supplying, but other nerves are also supplying. We have to memorize those nerves also. But the choice may also be mandibular division of trigeminal nerve. Then if we have read pharyngeal arches, then it should click in our mind. Second arch is hyoid arch, and the nerve supplying is facial nerve. So hyoid arch को कौन सी nerve supply करती है? Facial nerve. And to which all muscles it is supplying, or which all muscles are arising from second pharyngeal arch? So these are all the muscles of facial expression: stylohyoid, stapedius, and also the posterior belly of digastric. So this question is also asked that anterior belly of digastric is arising from which pharyngeal arch? Anterior belly of digastric is arising from first mandibular arch. Is a derivative of first mandibular arch, whereas posterior belly of digastric is a derivative of second pharyngeal arch. This question is asked very commonly, that anterior belly of digastric is a derivative of which arch? First pharyngeal arch, and posterior belly of digastric is derivative of second pharyngeal arch. Muscles of mastication are derivative of first pharyngeal arch. Muscles of facial expression are derivative of second pharyngeal arch. Mandibular nerve is supplying muscles of mastication, and facial nerve is supplying muscles of facial expressions. Then third is the muscles arising are stylopharyngeus. Third, from third pharyngeal arch, the muscle arising is stylopharyngeus and the nerve supplying is glossopharyngeal. So, nerve supplying to the third pharyngeal arch is glossopharyngeal and the muscle arising from third pharyngeal arch is stylopharyngeus. So, to stylopharyngeus muscle, which nerve is supplying? Glossopharyngeal. Okay. The muscle arising derivative of third pharyngeal arch is stylopharyngeus muscle. मतलब जो third pharyngeal arch है वो कौन से muscle को origin कौन सा muscle उससे उसका derivative है third pharyngeal arch का stylopharyngeus और उस muscle को कौन सी nerve supply करती है glossopharyngeal nerve और glossopharyngeal nerve entire third pharyngeal arch को supply करती है plus as only stylopharyngeus is a derivative of third pharyngeal arch, so glossopharyngeal is supplying stylopharyngeus. Fourth, from fourth pharyngeal arch, which all muscles are arising? Constrictor of pharynx, cricohyoid and palatoglossals. These all are the muscles which are arising from fourth pharyngeal arch. Pharyngeal muscles mainly. Constrictor of pharynx, cricothyroid and palatoglossus. Cricothyroid, palatoglossus and constrictors of pharynx means जो pharyngeal muscles हैं वो fourth pharyngeal arch से arise करते हैं और जो laryngeal muscles हैं वो sixth pharyngeal arch से. Fifth arch नहीं होती. Pharyngeal muscles are arising from fourth and laryngeal muscles are arising from sixth. Sometimes question is asked, all the pharynx, all the muscles of pharynx and larynx are the derivative of which pharyngeal arch? So answer is both fourth and sixth. All the muscles of pharynx and larynx are derivatives of fourth and sixth pharyngeal arch. If only pharyngeal muscles are asked, then the answer is fourth pharyngeal arch. If only laryngeal muscles are asked, then the answer is sixth pharyngeal arch. So to fourth pharyngeal arch, which nerve is supplying? Superior laryngeal nerve. Superior laryngeal nerve. And to sixth pharyngeal arch, which nerve is supplying? Inferior laryngeal nerve. So superior laryngeal nerve, inferior laryngeal nerve. So the nerves of all the pharyngeal arches are: first pharyngeal arch, mandibular division of trigeminal nerve; second facial nerve; third glossopharyngeal; fourth superior laryngeal nerve; and sixth is inferior laryngeal nerve. First is from first mandibular arch, from first pharyngeal arch, muscles of mastication, then muscles of facial expressions, then stylopharyngeus, then constrictors of pharynx, and then laryngeal muscles. Pharyngeal muscles, laryngeal muscles. F for fourth, F for pharyngeal muscles. Then now questions are also asked, which all cartilages are derived from pharyngeal arches. So first arch का जो cartilage है, that is Meckel's cartilage. Second arch का Richter's cartilage. Third का greater cornoophyte bone. Fourth is lesser cornoophyte bone and thyroid cartilage. And sixth is laryngeal cartilage. Sixth में से laryngeal muscles derive होते हैं, तो laryngeal cartilage. फर्स्ट का मैंडिबुलर फर्स्ट का Meckel's cartilage, मैंडिबुलर आर्च है तो Meckel's cartilage. एंड देन सेकेंड आर्च का Richter's cartilage, थर्ड आर्च का ग्रेटर cornoophyte bone. ग्रेटर cornoophyte bone पहले आएगा थर्ड आर्च, एंड देन फोर्थ इज लेसर cornoophyte bone और thyroid cartilage and thyroid cartilage. Third is greater cornoophyte bone and fourth is lesser cornoophyte bone and thyroid cartilage, and sixth is laryngeal cartilage. Thank you.